Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to our YouTube channel. I have opened the website of TREASURE NFT. I tell you what happens in this website. You have to generate your 100 USDT here and put it here. After putting your 100 USDT here, it gives you its interest every day. In easy language, you will put your USDT here and you will get your interest. I had put 1000 USDT here a few days ago, which has become 1300 USDT today. Let's say that I have received 300 USDT here as interest, but I also tell you that it is very risky if you put your 2000 USDT here. And if this website blocks your ID, then your 2000 USDT will be wasted. Then it is also risky, and you can also make profit here. I have withdrawn a profit of at least 10000 USDT here in just 2 to 3 days, because I had put Flash USDT here in this website, and I have withdrawn the interest of Flash USDT here, out of which one bar my ID was also blocked, in which I had 700 USDT. If you want to enter your Flash USDT in the site in it, then you can also put it here. I have opened our WhatsApp group. This is our Trust wallet and this is our Binance wallet. Here I will show you the history. We have done this transaction today, so this is the transaction of the day, and this is my Trust wallet here, and tell you more about this website. I get messages from many people that, sir, can we invest Flash USDT in this site? Then you can also put Flash USDT in this website. After entering Flash USDT, you can withdraw its interest here, which you will get withdrawn here. Then you can withdraw a profit from inside it by putting Flash USD inside this website. The more USDT you put here, the more interest you will get. Let's say if you put 500 USDT here, then you will get profit here according to 500 USDT. Due to this, if you put 900-year real USDT inside it, then the ID can also be blocked so that all the amount can be wasted. Then there is also a risk, and you can also withdraw profit from it. Many times the IDs are also blocked here, and many times the profit is also gated. If you want to invest here and put it inside it, then you can contact. If you put normal inside it, there is a minimum investment of 100 in it. After investing 100, they will get their interest. You keep withdrawing its interest. Suppose you put 100 here, then instead of its interest you withdraw 100 back here, so that your ratio will be 1 by 1. Then you will be risk free. You can also see their tour collection here, which is their last collection of the last 24 hours. You will find a lot of details here. You can read all the details here. You can also contact us for more details. You should first check this thing about this website, whether it is real or fake. There is a need to explore a lot of things here. I will not directly say here that you invest in it, because it is also a risk, and here you can also get rewards. Thanks for watching.